Hello friends! I am really excited for today's unboxing because we have some really cute Miraculous play sets sent from our friends over at Playmobil. We have Marinette's Loft. This is so cute. It's of her room and that's my favorite part in her house. And then we have an Adrien and Cat Noir play set, and it comes with his very own Kwame plague, and it's got 11 pieces. And here is everything that comes inside. We also have the Marinette and Ladybug play set that comes with Tiki, her Kwame, and this one has 16 pieces. And here is everything that comes in the set. And again, these are Miraculous play sets by Playmobil. I am so excited to get into this. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in these sets. We're going to take them out and put them together. So let's get into it. That's nice. Everything comes in a bag. And I think this is an instruction sheet. It's got some information on it, a couple of the other sets that you can get. And there's a bracelet with the different Miraculous on it. Cool. And so I assume this one's for me so I can wear it and say spots on. We'll see. Let's get this together. We'll start with Tiki. There's a little stand for Tiki. And we have Marinette's little side bag right here. That's super cute. It's monogrammed with an M on it. So I think you just snap that in place and then she wears it as her little crossbody bag. Here's Marinette with her bag on. I just put her bag together and I put it on. Look at her cute shoes and her outfit. And she can go in a sitting position and her arms and head also move. Same thing with her. She bends in a sitting position. Her arms move so she can get to work, saving the day. And she's got her mask on, her head moves, and these are hair ties. So these actually come off. The pieces are so small. So, okay, let me put this back on. And then there's one more thing. And then this is for me or whoever's collecting this. Okay, so here's the bracelet. It's really cute. Okay, there you go. That is set number one put together. So now let's open up Adrien. Here are the pieces from Adrien's box. And I don't see any instructions in here, so maybe it's just really simple and it's like the same thing, so we'll check it out. Okay, let's put Plague on the stand like we did for Tiki. Here's Plague. Here is Adrien. Here you go. We'll stand him up over here. This is our bracelet. Here we go. We've got our bracelet and our charms on there. So we have one of each. That's cute. Here is Cat Noir. It's funny because his tail's like really squiggly. So he's got gloves. I'm going to put those on, and his baton. Here's Cat Noir put together with his baton, and we've got his gloves on. So here is Adrien's set. Let's see what we have here. It looks like there's a Marinette figurine, and then Manon, the little girl she babysits, a few dolls, and a few other accessories, her bed, her desk, her mirror, everything I mentioned before. This is going to take a little bit of assembly, so we are going to put this together and be right back. There were a lot of small parts, but not bad at all. And here are just a few of the other sets that you can get with the Miraculous toys by Playmobil. Now, here comes the fun part. We can start decorating her room. Actually, let me pick this up and show you what we have on the walls here. So we have a mirror. Down here is going to be where her desk goes. She's got a poster board and some other things. She's got a stuffed animal upstairs. This is her bed. Cute little bedspread. We've got a ton of pictures of friends, but I see the big one of Adrien. We've got this staircase to her bed. Little window. Some things under her bed on her shelf that will be like right above her desk. And we've got the door that she goes downstairs in and a little rug. So let's start accessorizing her room. Okay, first we're going to start with the desk. She has a couple of desks. I really do love this desk setup. I wouldn't mind having my office like that, a little corner desk. We've got Marinette's mirror. So we've got a mannequin here that has a hat on, and we're going to put that in her dressing area. I'm going to assume this is her dressing area in the corner. We have a little lounge chair with a pillow, and it has an umbrella, which I don't know why it has an umbrella on it. I mean, I know she has like an outside patio area off of her room where she can look off at the rooftop, so maybe that's where that should go. And then we have a little chair with some details on it. We also have Marinette's sewing machine, and if you guys look really closely, you can see the needle going up and down. So I love how this is very realistic, and it also has a foot pedal. I do love the details on the sewing machine. So we'll go ahead and put that right there. Okay, so here we have a little lamp for her desktop. We have a little shelf for her books. It's just a little cube that holds her books to go on top of her desk. We'll straighten that out once we have everything all together. We have her computer here. I love the details of everything. I believe that is the Eiffel Tower, and I can't tell if that is Plag and Tiki or if that is Cat Noir and Ladybug. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. What do you guys think this image is on her computer? From far away, I thought it was Tiki and Plag, but now that you look really close, it looks like a scene from one of the shows. So let me know if you guys have any clue what that is. But anyway, here's her computer. And we're going to go ahead and put that over here on her desk. We have a little brush that goes on her dressing table. And we have a couple of game controllers. These are really cute. We'll put these over here on her desk as well. Lots of small pieces, and my hands are really big. Okay, we have a box here for her sewing supplies. So these are just different colors of yarn. We're going to go ahead and put that into her sewing basket. Because Marinette is a seamstress and she likes to sew, we have a couple of pencils here, some fabric, and some scissors. So we'll go ahead and get that all into her supply box and put that away. You can set this up however you want, but it looks like on the outside of the box, they have the measuring tape and the pencil over there for work. And we're going to go ahead and roll her material back up and put it into her sewing box. And let's set the sewing box over here in the corner next to the sewing machine. We have a couple of storage boxes here that do open and close, and I'm going to stack them over in the corner underneath her other dressing table right here. Okay, so here's a look at her workspace. We've got everything set up on her desk and her sewing supplies. Here's her dressing area. with her mirror. Okay, so far everything's looking really cute. Let me show you Manon really quick. She's got her cute little pigtails, some orange shoes, and purple overalls. So we've got Manon here, and I'm going to assume that Marinette is babysitting. And we've got Marinette in her lounge clothes at home. These are like her night clothes, her lounge clothes. She still has the red hair ties in her hair. She's got some pink polka dot slippers, her black and white polka dot top. Cute little outfit. I imagine her and Manon are going to play dolls because they have dolls here. So this looks like a ladybug doll and a cat noir doll. So they can sit here and play dolls. Super cute. The girls can sit there and play dolls, and when they're done, they can go and play video games. Okay, guys, what do you think? I went ahead and added Adrien and Marinette in their school clothes. I added Cat Noir and Ladybug, and there you have Manon and Marinette lounging at home. What do you guys think about these sets? I'm going to go ahead and add this unboxing to my Miraculous Ladybug playlist. So if you're not subscribed, please feel free to do so and put on those notifications so you can see some of my other fun unboxings, and go ahead and check out that playlist. I have some other Marinette Ladybug toys and playsets. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.